Hello friends, welcome to Research Needs. Today in this video we will see when you are working and suddenly you see your net is not connected and you're trying to connect it and it is not working. So that time what is the procedure you can do that we will see here. So first of all we will click here start menu, go in command prompt, you have to type that, then it will come and run as a administrator. You have to click. So while you will click you will find a black screen here, this type of interface. So here you have to write a command nets space net space ip space restart, and you have to click enter. So you will see that it will check your system and tell you to restart your system. So here you can see lastly it has mentioned to restart your system. When you will restart your system, your net will connect to the Wi-Fi or whatever the connection it is. So this is the option by which you can start your internet again. And now we will see the next option. So next option, you have to check the date and timing. If you are in another country, that time what happened, the time is not related to the recent internet connection. So that you have to correct. Suppose you are in Nepal and Nepal it is 15 minutes ahead from the India. So that time you have to manage the timing with the Nepal, then only the net will connect. Now next option is put your cursor on the internet symbol and you will find the diagnose network problem and you have to click. So you will see here it's showing a restart adapter. So we will click this. It will take time. One by one you can check all the options given below, and definitely it will take time. You have to wait for that. After this we will check on next option. Here you have to click the internet icon and then you should shift your net connection to airplane mode. So this is how you have to keep for 2 minutes, and after that when you will check if your net, in sometimes it may help to start your net again, but in my case it is not started. So I will go for next option. So you have to go in start menu. Here you have to type the device manager. So when we will search device manager, you will find the here the sixth option device manager. You have to click that. So it will open this type of interface. Here you have to find the internet adapter, and in that you have to update the adapter driver. So we will search the adapter driver and click it, right click on it. So here you will find the update driver option. So while you will click, you will find two options. You have to browse from the computer, and down you will find let me pick from the list of available drivers on my computer. Click here and you will find the drivers. So first one was adapter driver. You have to click that. In some computer you will find only one driver. Here you will here you can find two. So one by one you have to click both and update. So in my case, you can see while I update in internet icon, you can see it is showing some movement, but still it is not working. So I will go for the second one. So again I will click it and update the second driver which is available in my system. So likewise you can do, but sometimes you will find only one driver. So I have tried all options to start my internet again, but the problem is not solved still. So again you can see the icon showing some movement, but net is not connected. So I will go for next option. Here I will check my antivirus, Kaspersky. So down in the taskbar you will find the down arrow. So here you will find the Kaspersky icon, and that you have to click, and then you will find interface with the post protection, that you have to click. And it will give options, this type of interface, in that you can put it for 1 hour and pause it. So while you pause it, it will give option you. So sometimes it will start, your net will connect automatically. Just because of internet, sometimes it restrict your system to connect with the internet. So next option is, if you have VPN in your system, so that time you have to click that and try to connect it, start it, and try to connect it. Suppose here your VPN is working, and if you want to connect it by some other country, suppose the speed it will connect to United States, so you can connect it here from. So it will, your net will start working if you connect it. Just because of the VPN, sometimes your net disconnect and it is not connect by any means. So this is the option, third option, by which you can connect your internet. So then we will close it. And now in my case, you can see, just because of the VPN only, my net connection was not connected. Now it is connected. When I start once the VPN app and connect it to some country, and then I off the app, and then I checked my internet icon, it is showing it is connected. So this is how you can check. At last I found this option. Just because of the Proton VPN, my net was not showing error to connect. So how is the video? Please do comment. Thank you for watching Research News. Thank you very much.